Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. Thank you guys so very much for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe and tap the bell so you get notified each and every time I upload, and also follow me on all my socials, that's Instagram and TikTok at Bare Beauty Services. So this set is inspired by St. Patrick's Day. So we already know St. Patrick's gone and done with, but being me, we're still going to post it because it's a great video. So we're using dark green from the Mifa collection. It actually don't have a name on it, it's just numbers. But this color is a very beautiful color. Hear me for coming through one more time. I need to give credit where credit is due, because let me tell you, from the get-go, I don't think I've had these products for a little while, and my review was that okay, nobody should buy them, but I highly recommend them to anybody, especially to persons who are just starting out or who is just interested in doing nails. They're pretty effective. The reason why I did what I did, or I said what I said in any of my videos, but I recall me saying that Mifa is not the way to go. But the reason is that I'm living in a tropical climate, so heat is a problem. But on their instruction, they say keep in a cool climate, which I wasn't following, so now I learned my lesson and they're working very well for me. So I highly recommend you purchasing them. So for today's nail design, it is French. I already know the French is staple, it's the way of life for the nail game. You can never go wrong with French. So I tried doing my Frenches the TikTok way, and I think it's successful, but practice does become perfection, so I'm not really bash it. So the first coating we're going to cure, then we're going to go in with our second coating and cure that for 60 seconds. Now go ahead and create my leaf. This was a task at hand. So to create this, I created 2 slanted lines, almost like an ice cream cone, and it was an ice cream cone, and I do this for each leaf. What kind of pulled this design together was that little stroke at the end of the leaves that connected each of the leaves together. That's what pulled it together for me, because when I was drawing this looked nowhere like the St. Patrick leaf. It looked nothing like it, but that little stroke right there add the icing on top of the cake. So the next step that I'm going to take is to go ahead and outline my Frenchie, and then we're going to cure for 60 seconds. So to get that neon effect, we're going in with some top coat, and then we're going in with a color for choice. Obviously, I'm using green. I'll mix that well. To apply that, I'm going to use a nail art brush to outline my leaf and the outline of the French. Also, you want to overlap this color. What that does is give you the neon effect that you're going for. So you want to ensure that you overlap everything. Don't neat and fine it, because that's what happened to me the last time in my last Valentine's set. You want to overlap the white because you're going in with another coating of white to give you that neon effect. So for my white, I did went in and tone it down a little bit. To tone it down, I did went in with some top coat, a little bit of top coat, and a lot more white than the top coat, if that makes sense. A 2-to-1 ratio, so it was not that translucent, but it was not that potent. And I'll go ahead and create my outline on the leaves. So this worked out a lot for me. It worked out much better, because on the last design that I did, it was very harsh. Yeah, that word describes it best. It was harsh. So if you find that the white was like a harsh, go ahead and tone it down with some top coat. It works. You know that I had to go in and add a little extra stuff here and there. This elevated the look somewhat, even though there was a lot going on right now, but the little dots did something for this design. I went in with a dotting tool with some white to just create some squiggly lines, outlines of the leaf, and that was that did something to the nails. You must agree with me by liking this video. top off this design, we're going to go ahead and top coat the nails. I'm going to do 2 types of top coats, normal glossy top coat, and then I'll go in with my matte top coats. Cure each of these coatings for 60 seconds, oil my cuticles, and that's that. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below. Also follow me on all my socials, that's Instagram and TikTok at Bare Beauty Services, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.